is Austin with Fort Worth Auto Detail. Behind me here we have this Integra that we just wrapped up. We did a lot of work on it, so I want to walk you through what we did and some of our processes with it. So starting off, it got full front PPF. You can see it looks fantastic and you cannot even see the PPF. All of these edges are wrapped. So it doesn't even look like it has anything on it. But again, PPF is some of the absolute best protection for your vehicle. Something else we also did, we also took this out and completely wrapped this. And again, it's very hard to see the seams. Not a lot of people can make it look like this. So our full front is gonna include the hood, 2 front quarter panels, this front up here, and your mirrors. That is probably the most popular PPF package because obviously that's what's gonna take the brunt of rock chips and debris and things like that. Also on this vehicle, we tinted the windshield and the front 2 windows. Some people are surprised that you can tint the windshield. You definitely can. We certainly recommend it because obviously that is typically the largest piece of glass in the vehicle. So that's where the most heat is gonna come from. So if you tint that, it's gonna make a world of difference, especially with our top of the line ceramic film. It's gonna block 94% of IR, which is again, what's bringing in most of the heat. It also has a lifetime warranty. The rest of the car we did polish and it got our top of the line coating. Now it was brand new, so it didn't super need it, but it really just gives it that extra pop. And that top of the line coating is gonna make maintenance super easy. It's always gonna look super glossy as well. A couple other special things we did on this vehicle. So client actually requested that we install these down here. So what we did is we took the wheels off, installed these. And yeah, so he's got ceramic window tint, top of the line ceramic coating, and top of the line PPF that actually has ceramic built into it. So this car is brand new. This is a perfect service for a brand new car because now it is absolutely ready for the elements. You can drive it however you want, and it's gonna be protected for the long haul and honestly probably the entire length of ownership of the vehicle. All right guys, so this thing is absolutely beautiful. If you want your ride to look like this, if you're interested in paint protection film, ceramic coating, ceramic window tint, we are your one-stop shop here where we can do everything in-house. We have 5,000 square feet. We are climate controlled. We have some of the best installers, absolutely, not even just the area, but in the entire country. So if you have any questions about any of these services, or if you just picked up a new vehicle, you're looking to get all of these services, come on by, give us a call. We would love to go over exactly what you're looking for and help protect your new ride.